today we have a 1970 Marco 1600 GT. Came along from a collection with a 1500 GT that we've already road tested. This one's got a Ford V6 with a 4-speed transmission, and obviously is in these lovely Gulf colors with Revolution wheels. So it's a little bit different from the other one, and we're going to give it a ride and tell you what we think. Alrighty, here we go. Good oil pressure. Don't know if we have fuel, but let's hope so. If not, we'll have to get some. Well, you can feel the difference already from the other. From the 4-cylinder to the 6-cylinder, that is for sure. And as well as a deeper, throatier sound. So this one should be fun. Warm it up a little bit. We do have fuel. And put it through its paces. So we will be back to you shortly. Alright, well, this is going to be where the car actually excels. Seconds on our flybys, and then we'll do a little bit more road testing and then hit the farm road. enjoyed it. We'll see you back at the homestead.